What's up, Crim Heist? Welcome to another criminology educational video. And for today, we will be discussing police patrol with police communication system. Or sa new curriculum natin, it is law enforcement operations with police communication system. By the way, my name is Sean Francis Andego, also known as the Professor. So before we jump into our topic, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Professor, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated for my next upload. So for today, i-discuss natin yung etymology of the word police. So ano yung origin or kung saan nagsimula or nag-originate yung salitang police. Also, we will have an overview about the Philippine National Police, its powers and functions, and also what are the different categories of police operations na meron ang ating Philippine National Police as base or as a reference sa Philippine National Police Standard Operating Procedures. So first would be police. So police is a body of officers representing civil authority of government. So it came from the Greek word politeia, which means a government of a city. So it inadapt siya ng Roman and pinalitan siya ng spelling, which is policia. And then ginamit siya ng French and changed it to the spelling of police. And they applied the word police to a person who enforced law. The English and the Americans borrowed the word and used it to describe a law enforcer, so a person who enforced the law. Next would be the Philippine National Police. So the Philippine National Police is one of the tri-bureau of the DILG or of the Philippines. So ano ba yung tri-bureau? So compose siya ng Philippine National Police, Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, and the Bureau of Fire Protection by virtue of Republic Act 6975. So since minention ko na si Republic Act 6975, by virtue of Republic Act 6975, also known as the DILG Act of 1990, an act establishing the Philippine National Police under the Department of Interior Local Government or DILG. So RA 6975 provides that the police force shall be organized, trained, and equipped primarily for the performance of police functions. Its national scope and civilian in character shall be paramount. No element of the police force shall be military, nor shall any position thereof be occupied by active members of the armed forces of the Philippines. So therefore, nabuo si Philippine National Police by virtue of Republic Act 6975. At ang PNP daw or the members of the PNP shall be national in scope and civilian in character. So therefore, hindi siya magiging militarized or kung may mga active members ang Armed Forces of the Philippines, hindi sila pwedeng mag-over the bakod sa Philippine National Police. Next will be the powers and functions of the PNP. So the first function of the PNP is to serve and protect. So the responsibility of a police officer is to serve the public and protect life and property. So as we all know, the Philippine National Police or the police officers here in the Philippines, ang ina-adapt nila is yung home rule theory, wherein it is a theory of policing kung saan ang mga police officers, they serve the community regardless of its gender, its status, its educational attainment, or any position in the government. So, kesyo mahirap o mayaman ka, police officer is tasked or it has the responsibility to serve and protect everyone. But may exception. No police operation or no police officer shall serve or protect illegal activities of a particular person, group, or criminal syndicate. So therefore, mapa ikaw ay mayaman, mahirap, basta ikaw ay gumawa ng illegal activity, hindi dapat yan protektahan at pagsilbihan ng police officer. Bagkos ikaw ay dapat arestuhin o huliin dahil ikaw ay gumawa o lumabag sa batas. Next would be to observe human rights and dignity of a person. So all PNP personnel shall respect the human rights and dignity of the suspects during police operations. Kasi ina-adapt din ng Philippine National Police or ng Philippine Criminal Justice System natin yung presumption of innocence, wherein ang isang akusado or the accused shall be presumed innocent and shall be treated such until the contrary is proved or until mapatunayan sa korte na siya ay guilty beyond reasonable doubt. And therefore, kung wala pa itong hatol sapagkat ito ay nasa law enforcement stage pa lang or nasa police operations, police officers shall observe and respect the rights of a person. So, kailangan siya ay i-treat at i-presume or tignan natin as inosente hanggat ito ay hindi pa napapatunayan sa korte na siya ay guilty beyond reasonable doubt. Next would be the categories of police operations. So first would be public safety operation. So for public safety operation, nandyan si search, rescue, and retrieval operations, fire drills in coordination with the Bureau of Fire Protection, earthquake drills also in coordination sa BFP, and similar operations that promotes public safety. So kung matatandaan natin, isa sa mga function ng PNP is to promote public safety. Next would be law enforcement operation. So ito yung pag-e-enforce or pagpa-i-implementa ng batas. So nandyan yung service of warrant of arrest, implementation of search warrant. So ito yung pagkakaroon ng search and seizure operations, enforcement of visitorial powers of the chief or the president, Philippine National Police and unit commanders, anti-illegal drug operations, anti-illegal gambling operations, anti-illegal logging operations, anti-illegal fishing operations, anti-carnapping operations, anti-kidnapping operations, anti-cybercrime operations, and similar operations that are conducted to enforce laws, statutes, executive orders, and ordinances. Next would be internal security operation. So nandiyan yung counter-insurgency operations, counter-terrorist operations, and similar operations that are conducted to ensure internal security in their organization. Next would be the special force operation. So nandiyan si checkpoint operation, roadblock operation, civil disturbance management operation, police assistance in the implementation of final court order and order from quasi-judicial bodies, hostage situations, visit board search and seizure on board marine vessels, and similar operations that are conducted by the police units with specialized training on the peculiarity of the mission or purpose. As we all know, Philippine National Police is a line and staff type of organization wherein meron siyang functional type kung saan nahahati ito or merong mga divisions kung saan merong mga specialists kung saan may jurisdiction lang yung kanilang trabaho. So for example, sa cybercrime, so more on ang kanilang jurisdiction or ang kanilang function is more of the cybercrime. So yun yung sa special force operation. These are operations na kailangan yung police officers na gagawa nito ay may specialized training. Next would be intelligence operation. So nandiyan yung surveillance operation, counterintelligence, intelligence research, intelligence assessment, similar operations, or rather similar police intelligence operation conducted to what? To gather information related to security, public safety, and order of the country. Next would be investigation operation. So in investigation operation, nandyan yung investigation of crime or incident, administrative investigation, so ito yung investigation inside the organization, and other similar investigative work necessary to determine facts and circumstances for filing criminal cases criminally or administratively. Next would be the scene of the crime operation, or ito yung SOCO. So nandito yung processing of crime scenes, technical and forensic examination of the pieces of evidence, similar scientific investigative assistance. So thank you very much, and I do hope that you learned a lot about the origin or the etymology of the word police, and also the overview, the functions of the Philippine National Police, and what are the different categories of police operations that they have. So again, thank you and hope to see you on my next one. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the professor, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated for my next upload. Thank you very much.